In today's video, we are going to talk about how to install Tor browser on Ubuntu. Well, Tor browser routes your web traffic through the Tor network and makes it private and anonymous. And when you use Tor browser, the connection to the websites that you are going to view or viewing gets encrypted and gets protected from network surveillance and traffic analysis. The latest version of Tor browser is not directly available from the Ubuntu repositories. The latest version of Tor browser can be downloaded and installed on Ubuntu through the Tor browser launcher scripts. So I'll show you that how you can install it into your Ubuntu. For that purpose, we need to add a PPA repository first of all. The command for that is sudo add-apt-repository space PPA /Mikafli /PPA, and after that just hit enter. Now it will download and install a repository into your Ubuntu, and only after that we'll be able to add and install Tor into our system. So we are done with adding our repository. Now it's time to install the Tor browser launcher. The command for that is sudo apd install Tor browser -launcher. After that, just hit enter. It will download and install a launcher for your Tor browser. And now let's search for Tor browser if it is available into our system or not. So I'll just search for Tor. Here it is. Here is Tor browser launcher. Just click on it. So here it is. And now we need to download our Tor browser from this user interface, or you can say from this launcher. So here just click on install Tor browser, and now it will download and install it. And here it is downloading our Tor browser. And that brings us to the end of today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care.